Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the cutoff marks for management quota seats in private self-financing medical colleges located in Tamil Nadu. And this cutoff marks is for the year 2019. The first question, who can apply to management quota seats in Tamil Nadu? Anyone who has cleared NEET exam can apply. So there is no domicile requirement or there is no nativity requirement. So anybody from any state can apply to this category of seats. When to apply? So typically the application or registration is expected to open just after the release of NEET results. So once NEET results are out, please check and ensure that you submit an application to Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. How to apply? You go to tnmedicalselection.org. So this is the website where the applications will open and you have to register at this particular website under management category. So there will be two kinds of categories normally Tamil Nadu will call applications for. You have to apply only under management quota category. So anybody who is interested in management quota seats in private self-financing medical colleges of Tamil Nadu should go to tnmedicalselection.org immediately after the release of NEET results and start registering for the same. Now let us start looking at the seat matrix for 2019. What were the seats available in that particular year? To start with, PSG Medical College, which is located in Coimbatore, offered 30 seats under management quota. Karpaga Vinayaka Institute of Medical Sciences, located at a place called Madurandagam, offered 20 seats. Velammal Medical College at Madurai offered 30 seats. Tiruchi SRM Medical College at Trichy offered 26 seats under management quota. Tagore Medical College at Chennai offered 30 seats. Melmaruvattur Adi Parasakti Institute offered 30 seats. Mada Medical College at Chennai offered 52 seats. Annapurna Medical College at Salem offered 29 seats. KMCH Institute at Coimbatore offered 30 seats. This adds up to total of 277 seats. So this was the initial release by the Directorate of Medical Education or Tamil Nadu Selection Committee. This was the estimated number initially that they gave us 277 seats. But subsequently, a few seats were added, which was not part of the initial prospectus. And we got some seats from Sri Mookambika Institute of Medical Sciences in Kanyakumari. This actually is a Malayalam minority college. So actually all the seats under this college, all the management category seats under this college will go to Malayalam minority candidates. But since there were not enough candidates for Malayalam minority, some of the seats were converted to general category. I don't have the exact number how many seats were converted, but it could be around the 4 to 5 seats range, because at the end of first round, there were around 4 seats were vacant in Sri Mookambika under management category. So probably around 4 to 5 seats there. And again, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College at Perambalur. This college again is a Telugu minority college where all the management quota seats comes under Telugu minority. But again here, I think one seat was converted from Telugu minority to general management category. So roughly there were about 5-6 seats added to the 277. And also what the selection committee did not show initially in the seat matrix is CMC Vellore. CMC Vellore has 12 seats under open management category plus 3 seats reserved for scheduled caste or scheduled tribe candidates under the management category. So if you look at all in all, it comes close to around 300 seats approximately. Okay, we do not know the exact number, but roughly around 300 seats. In addition to the seats mentioned here, Sri Muthukumaran Medical College offered 75 seats under management category to Tamil Nadu in the last minute. And this year, we are going to get another medical college called Panimalar Medical College. It seems to be a Christian minority medical college. We are not sure whether they are going to offer seats under management category or they are going to take in only Christian candidates. So anyway, we can see that roughly the number for management quota in 2020 could be around the 300 numbers. Now let me go into the cutoff for individual colleges under management quota for the year 2019. PSG Coimbatore, the cutoff or the final candidate who got a seat in PSG Coimbatore under management category was 442 marks. Now don't ask me whether this mark is sufficient to get a seat in 2020. I have no idea. I am unable to predict what will be the cutoff this year. So don't be in a hurry. Let us wait for the official merit list to come. So the second college, KMCH Coimbatore, the cutoff was 433 marks. Melmaruvattur Adiparasakti, the cutoff was 406. Velammal Madurai, the cutoff was 403. Karpaga Vinayaka, the cutoff was 394. Sri Moogambigai, the cutoff was 393. Okay, here very few seats were available. So it may not be a real reflection, but for the few seats, 393 was the cutoff. Tiruchi SRM, 393. And Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan, again, I think there was only one seat. So probably that candidate got 393 marks. Tagore Medical College, the cutoff was 391. Annapurna Medical College at Salem, the cutoff was 368. Mada Medical College, 335. Sri Muthukumaran Medical College, which came at a very last minute for the counseling, the cutoff was 326 marks. And Karpagam Medical College in Coimbatore, none of the seats were offered under management category. All the seats were offered to Telugu minority candidates, right? 35% of the seats which come under management category were offered to Telugu minority candidates. So none of the seats were available to general management category. So this is the cutoff for 2019 under management category, which was 326 marks. I have not included one college, which is CMC Vellore, which I have not shown the cutoff marks because I have a very detailed video. You can see the arrow right on top. You will see a link now. You can see the cutoff in that detailed video. I do not want to repeat that. If you are interested, you can go and see the cutoff there. Thank you very much. I hope this video is useful to you. If you need any further information, please feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you very much. I see you soon in some other video.